in Tableau, there are different levels of calculation in Tableau. So we are going to go this particular video, we are going to see look at different levels of calculation in Tableau. In Tableau, we have different levels of calculations in Tableau. Now, first and foremost, we have the row level calculation in Tableau. Let me click on this. When I click on it, I'll be able to visualize my dataset. Now you can see the list of my dataset here. I also have a dataset here known as a sales table. In my sales table dataset, these are the columns that make up the table. You can see the order quantity, which represents the quantity in which goods are being ordered is 1. Though throughout this particular dataset, the quantity in which goods are being ordered, you can see the various quantities in which goods are being ordered. Then I can look at the unit price and now you can see the unit price of each of those commodity. Now, if I want to do row level calculation performs the calculation on a row level basis. Now, it's going to be, for instance, I want to see the total sales. That is, I'm going to multiply the unit price of the commodity times the quantity of goods that is being ordered by the particular customer. So it's going to give me the total order. It's going to give me the total sales order. And it's going to multiply. It's going to take the one for the first row. I'm going to multiply with that of the second, with that of the first row. I'm going to multiply it with the unit price for the same row, and it gives me the total sales order. That is the row level of calculation itself. So in order to do that, we click on this and we have to create a calculated field. In this calculated field, we give a calculated field a name. Can call that total sales order. Okay, that's total sales order. Now this total sales order, we call this the sum. Okay, and we go to the sales amount. Okay, now we are performing the row level calculation here. Sorry for that. The row level calculation, we use the quantity that is ordered times the quantity that is ordered times the unit price of that particular quantity. So it's going to pick that for the first row, the quantity that is ordered, and going to multiply with the unit price for that particular row. Click on apply and click on OK. The moment we go to now the row level calculation in Tableau, Tableau is going to perform the calculation and store the dataset in the source data. Now, so we cannot see the value on any visualization. You cannot see in visualization, instead we use it to create a visualization. So we can see the result on the original dataset. So when I go to this original dataset, you can see the sales order quantity. Now you can see the sales order quantity. You can see for this first, we have a unit price. Now it's giving me 2.2. Now why? Because those unit price and the quantity is 1. The other quantity is 1. Now you can see the order values for the order calculation. So you can see those. You can see more and more of it. We can see the unit price and we can see the quantity ordered. So you can see the unit price and you can see the total sales order quantity. Now that is the row level calculation itself. Another type of calculation itself is the aggregate level calculation. Under the aggregate level calculation, I already have a visualization here where I have the category of this particular on the row shelf, and this actually displays this. The aggregate calculation gives you a summary of your dataset. In this particular dataset, I have I have different categories of goods, and I want to see the total sales for each category of goods. Now, if I want to see that, what I need to do is to drag this and drop it here, and that will give me the total sales for each of these commodities. But now, in Tableau, I can do the aggregate level calculation by going to the calculated column, click on create a calculated column, and I call this the total sales, amount. Okay, here all I need to do is to type the sum function and drag the column, the total sales amount column, and drop there. Click on apply and click on OK. Now the moment I use this to replace this, now No. To moment I decided to place side by side so we can compare the value. Now we can see this is the sales amount and this is my total sales amount that I created in Tableau. Now you can see it arrived at similar, both figures are the same. So this is another level of calculation in Tableau. Another level of calculation in Tableau is what we call the LOD. So see you in my next video.